Hey guys, it's Lauren. This is going to be my Sephora haul. So this is not only the VIB sale, this is one that I placed probably like a week or two beforehand. I figured I'd just throw them in here, and then I would do the Ulta haul separately, and then that way, because then it's just going to get way too long. So alright, the first thing that I got was the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This, I did use this today. I had a sample of this, like one of those mini ones you'll see in my empties video, and I absolutely loved the mini one because it absorbed my oils, and it wasn't like a Batiste or chlorine one, but it absorbed pretty well. But it was the only dry shampoo that I've ever tried that when you put your hands in your hair, you don't feel like you have dry shampoo. It doesn't give you that gritty texture or anything. So I absolutely loved it, and I was like, oh, I have to get, now all I want to do is touch my hair. I have to get the full size. So I used this today, and I don't know, I had to use it twice. Like, I had to put it in and realize that it didn't really do much, and then I had to use it again to really kind of absorb the oils. So I only use this when I have straight hair, because other than that, I can use my Batiste one and all of that kind of stuff, and I don't need to have like touchable hair and stuff. But I will use this one for when I have straight hair, which funny thing is all of my videos that I've filmed have happened or just happened to be when I've straightened my hair. And I rarely straighten my hair. I straighten my hair like maybe once a month. And I've just happened to film them whenever I've, like filmed a couple when I've had my hair straight. So, oh well. But it's usually very curly. Okay, next I got the Tarte Foundcealer Multitasking Foundation with SPF 20 in it. I got this probably a couple weeks ago, and I've only used it once though, because I work, like I said, I work nights and weekends. So if I'm usually studying or something during the middle of the day, and I don't really get out much. So when I get out, the sun's not really out, because I said I'm a night owl too. So I rarely wear SPF. Like, I'm not going to wear SPF at nighttime when I go to work, because SPF breaks me out in general. So, but I tried the other Tarte one, the new Shape Tape one. I liked the first Shape Tape one. I did not like the second one. I actually returned that one. This one I do like. I wouldn't say it's my holy grail or anything, but I do like it from the one time that I've used it. So I'll keep you updated on that. Then I got the St. Tropez Gradual Tan Watermelon Infusion. So I haven't used this yet, but I'm really excited. I have smelt it. It does smell like watermelons. And it is a white color. It's not your typical, because I was about to buy the Jergens one, because it's been forever since I've had that, and I remember liking it, just not the smell. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, perfect. Okay, we'll go ahead and just get this and try it out. So keep you updated on that. I'll go ahead and just go over this. I redeemed my 500 point perk, and I got the First Aid Beauty one, because I love a lot of First Aid Beauty, let me move over, products. And so it has my Holy Grail Facial Radiance pads, so those are awesome. And it has a cleanser in here, which I'll probably just give to one of my coworkers, because she has really sensitive skin, because I have probably like 12 to 15 cleansers that I need to go through, so they're gonna go bad before, I use them all. So I'll probably just give her that one. And then I'm wanting to try the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, and it says it strengthens, balances, and hydrates. And then it also has the Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. So I'm really excited about that one. It says that it is a soothing treatment to help de-stress and relieve and nourish dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. So, I have about 2 or 3 oils to go through before I do this one, but then I'll definitely try that out. So I was excited. Okay, then I went ahead and got the, I was so excited to see this wasn't out of stock. I got the Jouer bronzer kit one, and that is what it looks like. I'm super excited. I used this for the second time today, and I really liked it. I do have to use a smaller, you can't it takes a little bit to get going, so I have to use a smaller, more denser brush to be able to use this, and then once I do that, then it comes out great. So, excuse the makeup again, but I worked earlier today, so this makeup is probably about 12 to 13 hours so far. So, just like my other video, you know, this is, I have to have long lasting makeup, and so it's kind of worn off a little bit on my chin, but other than that, I mean, it's not great, but it doesn't look bad. So okay, so then I also redeemed my my birthday gift thing, and I got the Drunk Elephant one. So I have the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, which is a small one, good for traveling. And then this is the one I was so excited about because I've wanted to try this for so long. I've had a sample of it, like just a little sample packet one, that you'll probably see in empties, and it's just not big enough to really see if it was, because I remember it being okay, but everyone raves about it so much, and I just have such dry skin that I thought I'd like the La La Retro one better, but I just wasn't blown away by it. So it was good. It was just like some of my other Mary Kay ones. So I'm excited to get like a more full-size one. I mean, not full-size, like a little travel mini size, so that I can at least have a couple weeks worth and see if I, you know, really like it. And then I got a perfume. I had one of those scent cards that Sephora sent out, and this one smelled so good on the scent one. It reminded me a lot of the Marc Jacobs Daisy one that's like my signature scent. That's the one I love. I wear that all the time. And it's Replica, Under the Lemon Trees. And it's one of those ones that you very first spray it and it smells like what the comments say in the thing. It smells like lemon pledge. And so it's not good. But then once it dries down, then it's a lot better. Would I say that it's great and I would repurchase or purchase the full one? Absolutely not. But it's fine. I feel like it would be more of a layering perfume. So we'll see. I just got the little size because I have so many perfumes to go through. I don't know. We'll talk about it. Okay. Then we have the Peace Out Dark Spots. This comes with 12 micro needling dots. So I was actually kind of worried about this at the beginning, but this is what it looks like. And so it actually is like it's like the same size or a little bit bigger than the Peace Out Acne Dots. And you just put it in there, and it's got like little bitty tiny, like, not like metal needles or anything, but like little plasticky needles, and you like press it in, and you're like, oh, I mean, it doesn't like hurt, but you know, you can definitely feel it. But then after like 5 minutes, you totally forget they're there. I just left them on. It says to use them twice, a total of like 4 times. So twice a week for 2 weeks. And so I've just used it once, and I used it on, actually, I think it's right here. You can't even see it, but I used it on a spot over here, and then this spot right here. So I will keep you updated on in the next 2 weeks if it really does anything. But it's just supposed to help with, you know, lightening your old acne scars, hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. The actual, you know, needles, the microchannels enhance absorption. Anyways, they have niacinamide and licorice extracts. So there's that. And then the last thing, oh, I did get a couple like samples. I think I got like an Lancome sample and the Versace Dylan Blue perfume sample. I like I haven't tried the serum yet, but I like the Dylan Blue one, but it's not something that I would purchase. I was really excited when I read the, you know, notes and everything, because it was like Granny Smith apples and floral, and then it dried down to this like musky patchouli like thing, which sounded fabulous, but all I can really smell is the floral. So yeah. But I mean, I'll use it up. And then the final product, which I'm so sad because I don't know if they're just discontinuing this whole line or what's going on. But this is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon Dry Shampoo. And this is freaking amazing. I've already gone through 2 small ones and 1 big one. I got this on sale. It was originally like 28 or 30. I want to say 28 bucks. And I got it for like 21. And then the small ones were like 14. And I got them for like 11. But now you can't even get the big one. Because it used to say, notify me when this comes in. But then now it doesn't even do it. It says this product's no longer available. So, I don't know. But I'm really... Because I want to get it. Because I have a little perfume sample of this. And I can't find it on Ulta or Sephora. But they have one on Amazon. But, you know, it's expensive. And I don't know how old you know, the product is. But I love this. It smells so good. And it actually absorbs your oils. And it doesn't leave a terrible white cast either. So, this is absolutely amazing. And I hope they're just doing like a rebranding or something. And they come back, because otherwise I'm just going to savor this thing. That's it. I have some purchases from... Those are pretty much the ones that I purchased, like, beginning of May, the VIB sale, and then, like, the last, like, and then, like, 2 weeks before then. I purchased some, like, the beginning of April, some Ordinary products, but I haven't used them yet, so I couldn't give you, like, a review or anything like that. But I will go ahead and film. I purchased 2 or 3 orders from Ulta. So I'll go ahead and film those and get those up for you. And I'll probably have an empties video next, and then we'll have the Ulta one. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please feel free to subscribe and just leave a comment. Tell me also what you purchased during the VIB sale. The Sephora one that we still only get 20% off. Anyways, I hope y'all are having a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.